Alright, ready?
Yep. Oh yeah. Yeah, sometimes the linkage in third gear.
Obviously the blocking ring in fourth too. So third gear is not 100%. Fourth gear, I just go on a short drive. It's about 3 miles or so. And when I got on 280 here, in fourth gear, let off the gas, hit the gas again, and I'm going on it's not holding forward.
Yeah, it pops out.
But I mean it's a 73.
Exactly.
What do you expect? So this is all normal.
Well, the only thing I ever did was take it up with a four-way and drive around.
Which is perfect.
Yeah, it was great up there.
Perfect. That is
Yeah, then I broke my hip 3 years ago. A couple of years it sat, and then last year, of course, nothing's happened. It's been sitting for 3 years.
So Kurt, as far as the what we did on this, we had the, tell me again, new coil.
no, the coil was good.
Coil's good,
But,
okay.
Points, cap,
okay.
rotor, spark plugs, retime the ignition, obviously reset the points gap to factory and spark plug gap to factory, clean the cold start injector, and right now it's got some non-ethanol gas with a fuel stabilizer in it to get it to start ironing out, and boy did it iron out.
That's great. That's
it
great.
starts right up, cold, hot, whatever. So.
Appreciate you doing such a good job on that.
Yeah. It's